Nothing.
The hell you ate?
Say hi.
Kiss butt.
Sorry, you guys had to hear that. So it's just awkward, mostly. Say Coco. Say hi, Coco. Okay, here's the pup. If I can. Yeah, there they all are. Yeah, I woke them up. There they go. There all they go. Oh, got this. Okay. Pups are doing fine, of course. And it's like really early in the morning. Well, I hope you guys like it. But can't believe my dad said that. Okay, another little chocolate. Woo. Go. Here's the Coco. Bye, Coco. Mm-hmm. See, there she goes. She's so sleepy. Okay, and here's Beauty. What you doing there, Beauty? Hey, 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 hey. Baby. Okay. Well, oh, here's Coco's tail. You got any last words, Dad? Dad, you got any last words? I guess you don't. Okay. Well, bye.